DJM TV.
For Witori, why World Health Organization remove Naija from the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine? Correct ogbonge country people, una welcome to DJM TV News. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan knack una the tori as e take shele. Now the tori as e take shele. The World Health Organization covers plan for the world don remove Naija from the Pfizer vaccine when they suppose give every country to help gbake the spread of COVID-19. Sake of say Naija no fit reach the level when they suppose reach to fit get the vaccine wey concern how to store am. The World Health Organization don talk say for any country to fit get the COVID-19 vaccine, the country must fit get the 70°C storage plan for the vaccine. Naija government bin don say dem dey wait to get 100,000 doses from the COVAX plan when World Health Organization arrange to make sure say all country for the world fit get the COVID-19 vaccine, whether the country get money or they no get. According to the big oga when dey in charge of Africa, Dr. Matshidiso Moeti, for the computer meeting when he do to take talk to tori people, she say na only 4 African countries dem don knack for ground to get the Pfizer vaccine out of the 13 African countries when dey ask for the vaccine. She come still talk say World Health Organization no fit take the risk for the Pfizer vaccine to just come the waste. Moeti say about 320,000 doses of the vaccine na im dem don prepare for the 4 African countries wey be Cape Verde, Rwanda, South Africa and Tunisia. She come still tell tori people say the vaccine don get quick use list but need country wey go fit store and share the doses for -70°C. To get the first small amount of the Pfizer vaccine, countries go first submit application and their committee wey dey put to take examinate the application go come see am to make sure say yes, say e follow the way the World Health Organization want am. The way the World Health Organization take want am be say they go look the way people take dey kpai. One, they go also look the way the new case take dey happen, and they go come also look how e take dey go and how the country go fit handle the very cold arrangement when the vaccine dey need. She come talk say all country when e be say they apply for the vaccine must get one certificate when e show say the country get clean and clear arrangement when e concern the COVID-19 immunization campaign. As the matter dey go, the Director General for the Nigerian Institute for Medical Research, when im name be Professor Babatunde Salako, come talk say Naija no get plenty space to take store the vaccine for the now. Sake of say the temperature when World Health talk about, Naija never fit reach am. But the Executive Director for the National Primary Health Care Development Agency, when im name be Dr. Faiza Shaib, tell tori people say wetin Professor Babatunde talk no hold water at all. Inside the matter, the People's Democratic Party (PDP) don throway blame give Presido Muhammadu Buhari and the APC sake of the vaccine when World Health Organization remove Naija from. For one press story, when the PDP National Publicity Secretary, when im name be Kola Ologbondiyan release, the party say na big shame say common vaccine storehouse the Buhari and APC government no fit provide. The party mouthpiece come still talk say this one show say wetin dem don dey talk as opposition party since say the Buhari government and APC no put Nigeria people for mind, say na just themselves and their pocket na im dem know. That is why corruption no fit comot from the shirt wey dem wear. The party mouthpiece come still talk say this one show say the Buhari government na big failure even after the government talk say they don spend billions of naira for the COVID-19 campaign for inside obodo Nigeria. Mr. Kola Ologbondiyan come still talk say na big embarrassment sake of say as Naija big reach, the country never still fit get the vaccine. And Nigeria na one country wey be say yes, e get plenty people as population, and the number of people wey dey get the COVID-19 dey grow high every day as the NCDC take dey release the people wey dey get the virus. Im come talk say wetin dey pain the People's Democratic Party pass be say as Naija important reach for the whole world, World Health Organization come remove Naija from the list of countries wey wan fit receive the Pfizer vaccine. And he come say wetin cause all this one be say na the iki when e be say the Buhari government dey do. Some other country people when e still chook mouth put for the matter talk say e dey painful and shameful say why other countries when e be say they no even get level reach Naija, all of them dey get the vaccine, Naija no come get the vaccine. Country people, na here our tori for end for this time. Until next time when we go come una way again with another ogbonge tori wey go don shele. My name na Stanley Okocha. Una do well as una take watch us since.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.